What a rush. What a rush. Hey yo! I'm back. I'm Brucey. I'm your host. And this is The Abyss. Yes. Right? Yeah. Oh, talking about Dragon Ball, are ya? Oh, alright then. Woo! Woohoo! Unfortunately, I can't partake in that convo because never really watched it. Never really watched it. Not my bag. But yeah, right. Abyss. The Abyss. Abysmal. Yeah, The Abyss, it's very abysmal. Right, boom, take out this stupid trap. Oh, it's a little friend. Bye bye, biatch. See you later. Don't you walk into me, you little shit. I'll have you. Oh, fuck, no. What am I doing? I'm going the wrong way. I want to go up here, go around. That's better. There we go. Now I'm happy. Now I think I'm content. So down here, it is, yeah, good place to have it. Lead me to terra firma, baby. For Dragon Ball Super, Darth can give us a monologue. No. I can give a monologue of everything Dragon Ball. They are really good. You should give them a try. Oh, should I? Should I now? You never know, Darth. You never know, man. I might give them a whirl sometime. Don't get me wrong. I have seen bits and bobs of Dragon Ball. I've just... It's never intrigued me enough to make me want to watch it, but you never know. Oh, it's a Danny! Oh, Danny! Yeah, we haven't had Otani for a while. This will be interesting. Odie, can you give me a brief explanation of how to save scum? Do you not know how to do it, Clay? It's really simple, buddy. But Odie will enlighten you, alright? There you go. I'll let Odie explain it to you. Because I got a constant straight. Concentration. Woo. He dead. He dead. He's gone. He's a goner. Bye bye. See you later, buddy. Next floor, please. Next floor. Going up. Going up. Bulma's panty shots are neat, but I prefer my Eki harem. Oh, there you go. There you go, Clay. There you go, you can discuss it with him. There you are. No PS Plus? Well, you will need a USB stick then, because you can't obviously do it to cloud if you don't have PS Plus, so... Yeah. Oh, right. You don't need PlayStation Plus to chat, do you? Surely you don't. I can't remember. Nah. Ow. Oh, Eli Carr. Why are you arguing over where I'm from, Eli Carr? What an argument to have. I love it though, that's hilarious. Right. He's German. Do I even sound remotely German, Ricardo? Jesus. God, it should be obvious where I'm from. Is it just a funny argument, is it? Fair enough, man. Fair enough. I find that hilarious that you're arguing where I'm from. That is funny as hell. No, I'm not German. Yes. And my German is atrocious. I'm not very good with the German language. I'm alright, but I'm not very good at it.